If the government does in fact shut down, it will throw a wrench in the already fragile housing market.
Now, unless you're looking to pay cash for that house, you may be forced to play the waiting game. ABC4's Kimberly Houck is live to explain. Kimberly?
Well, Robert, just about in nearly every subdivision you go into, you're bound to see one of these, a for sale sign in somebody's yard, which means that if somebody wants to obtain financing to purchase this home to my right here, then they're going to have to qualify under the new guidelines, which means that their recent tax filings have to be verified by the IRS, regardless if they're trying to get a federal loan or even go through a bank. And if the government shuts down, then there's not going to be anybody inside the IRS office to verify their recent tax filing.
And this is our dining room.
John Christensen walks us through the home he's selling in Sugar House. He's about to buy another, but he, like many in the real estate market, worry about the looming government shutdown.
In our particular case, it has the potential for slowing down our process, if not stopping it completely.
All home loans must meet the Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae guidelines, which means all borrowers looking to qualify for a home loan must have their tax filings verified by the IRS.
We could get all the way to the day of closing, go to execute that 4506, that tax verification form, have nobody on the other end at the IRS, nobody's home, and not be able to close that transaction. Hello?
Josh Mettle, a mortgage originator, says the whole real estate market will come to a standstill.
We should keep in mind is the government shut down for a week doesn't mean it's going to take a week to get back in normal, because you've got your normal business flow plus a week of backlogs. So 1 week shutdown could have implications for a month or more.
And leave hardly anyone untouched.
This will pretty much affect everybody in the market buying real estate unless you're paying cash, and I'm guessing maybe 5% of people out there are paying cash right now. So it's going to affect 95% of the people purchasing or selling real estate.
Creating little business.
Hi, this is Josh Mettle. Is Irene in?
For workers like Josh and potentially stranding others.
Well, it's a little frightening.
Like Christensen, who wants to move.
And Mettle also says that this could potentially cause some people to be homeless, those who have sold their home, but they're still waiting to close on a new home. If the government shuts down, then that would leave those people in limbo. Again, lawmakers have until 10 o'clock our time tonight to come to some kind of compromise on this budget to avoid a government shutdown. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, I'm Kimberly Houck for ABC4 News.
All right, thank you very much for that story, Kimberly.